It's not just a job, it's your passion, your purpose. That's where greatness happens. Wake up excited, challenges become chances, and every moment feels like a step towards something extraordinary.